This tutorial demonstrates measuring areas and distances and tagging features with their distance to another map feature. Use the Info tool to see the length of any line segment or the size of any area feature. For example, if we make the landmark area layer the working layer and choose the Info tool and click on the landmark, you'll see the area is reported here, that Bryant Park is 0.01 square miles. And Central Park is 1.37 square miles. Note, if your units are in miles, then the area reported is in square miles. If your units are in kilometers, then the area is in square kilometers. You can also use the Measure Area tool to find the size of an area by clicking on the map. Double-click to close the area. The size of the area I just drew is about 1/4 square mile, or I can choose different units and see that it's 151 acres. Use the Measure Distance tool to find the length of a line you click on the map. Again, you can draw the line and double-click to finish it. And the line that I drew was 1.92 miles long. You can also tag features in a layer with their distance to features in another layer. For example, if I make the employee layer in this map the working layer and open a data view of it, I could fill this field that I've already created with the distance for each employee to the office. Simply choose Edit Fill, choose the Tag option, and use the office layer to compute the distance to the office, and choose this Distance to Feature option. When I click OK, Maptitude calculates the distance for each employee to the office and fills the distance field in that data view with the results. For more information on tagging, you may also want to see the tutorial on attaching data from nearby features. And you can see now, if I click on one of these employees with the Info tool, it will show their distance to the office. And I could even create a color theme showing the distances. And we can see from the legend that most of my employees live within 1.5 miles of my office. And that wraps up this tutorial on measuring distances and areas.